Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good evening to everyone present here. I'm Prisha Sureja, your host for today's evening, and I heartily welcome you all here on day two of Yoga for You, a 7-day holistic health workshop on the occasion of International Yoga Day, and it is organized by Division of Student Welfare, Lovely Professional University. So, for our day two of the workshop, which is based on chakra healing with psychoneurobic exercises, we have with us a very eminent and an honorable guest speaker for today who would be throwing light on this topic. So, ladies and gentlemen, Sir has done PhD in Vedic science and psychoneurobics from Yoga Samskritam University, Florida. Sir has done PG diploma in psychoneurobics from Tamil Nadu Physical Education and Sports University. He has also done MSc in psychoneurobics and he has done MBA in self-management and crisis management. Ladies and gentlemen, he has 22 years of experience in pharmaceutical industry and 8 years of experience in life insurance as training manager and branch manager. He is an authorized guide for PhD students and he is running his own healing center in Jalandhar with the name of Divine Wellness Center. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dr. Mahesh Dogra sir with us with all your virtual claps in the chat box. Hello, sir. A very warm good evening to you, and I heartily welcome you here. We are very glad to have you here today.
Thank you, Namaskar.
And we also welcome Dr. Saurabh Lakhanpal, sir, Head of Division of Student Welfare Department, Lovely Professional University. I heartily welcome you, Saurabh, sir. And I also extend my heartfelt welcome to all the heads, staff members, participants, and all the virtual viewers who are watching me live here today. Everyone, a warm welcome to each one of you.
So, shall I?
Yes, sir. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Prisha. First of all, I'll pay my sincere thanks to Almighty Authority, God, to giving me opportunity to interact with you people. And I am thankful to Dr. Saurabh Lakhanpal also, who has been a backbone for all these programs. And yes, of course, very sincere thanks to worthy Pro Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Rashmi Mittal ma'am, who is always enthusiastic for any new idea. So put together, we are going to rock this week and celebrating Yoga Day on 21st. So today we'll start with new dimension of health, that is chakra healing. So before I go for the explanation, I'll just give you one, uh, icebreaker that we can say, and this is the first exercise in Yoga Sanskrit University, what we call it smiling exercise. So please put a big smile on your face. All those who can show me their smiles, those who are confident that my smile is the best. Yeah, Malvinder ma'am, always beautiful smile she has, and that's why she's so energetic. So please give a big smile on your face and just exercise, a small exercise. While smiling, just give a thought. Just just think of anything bad. Keep a good smile और कुछ भी नेगेटिव सोचने की कोशिश करिए. It's a very good exercise. You can do it with your family members also. Putting a smile on your face, you can't do this. You can't do any negative emotions, right? So smile is the one curve which makes all the things straight. And a child smiles 300 times in a day. How many times we? Why? We don't smile because then we have Why I should smile? अरे कुछ नहीं जाएगा. Nothing will be nothing will be harmful. Smile can definitely give you a good personality. It enhances the personality. So before I start my session, एक छोटा सा exercise करते हैं. That is called, we call it tapping therapy. So I'll just play a song. जहाँ पर भी आप बैठे हैं, आपने अपनी बॉडी को टैप करना है. See, this is our body and we are the energies running this body, right? तो इस बॉडी को अपन मान लें कि आई एम अ जोकी एंड दिस बॉडी इज अ हॉर्स. हॉर्स को जब टैपिंग करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा चलता है, राइट? सो हियर वी गो. या टैप योरसेल्फ. इतना धीरे धीरे कि मक्खी ना मरे और इतना जोर भी नहीं कि
Sorry, sir, for interruption.
Plastic.
Your voice is not audible, sir. Please,
Mayank, I think it's
be
the
louder.
problem at your end. Because we can hear properly.
पीछे भी करिए जरा. Then calf muscles को करिए जरा. ये चेयर पे भी कर सकते हैं आप, कहीं पे बैठ कर पीछे. Tap your foot. It's a very good exercise. कदम ताल. क्या घुटनों के पीछे. It will activate your all the body. आप करके देखिए. Yeah, thank you so much. अपने ये जोरदार तालियां बजा लीजिए। गुड।
That was so refreshing, sir.
Yeah, basically, it should be done, I think, every day, because when we are happy within, our body is so receptive. When we tap our body with the happiness, तो बहुत मल्टीपल्स में इफेक्ट्स आता है इसका। See, it's a mind, body, and soul. So, again, अब ये छोटा सा एक्सरसाइज हमने किया, स्माइलिंग एक्सरसाइज। अब जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर इकट्ठा हुए हैं, सो एक और छोटा एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। स्ट्रेच योर हैंड, या एंड टेक इट बैक। गुड। This is the best exercise on this earth. Nobody is going to tap you because now you are grown up. मैं जरा इसको लगा लूं so that I should be audible properly. Fine now? Audible?
Yes, sir, you are absolutely audible.
Yeah, now it is better clarity. Huh? Okay. So friends, thank you so much for your kind presence. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है साइकोनेरोबिक्स। एज द वर्ड सेज साइको, साइको मीन्स माइंड, न्यूरो, nerve cells, brain cells, mix exercise. It's a unique exercise. It's an exercise of mind and brain. See, we have done many exercises for the breathing, for the body, for the different muscles of the body, right? But so far, mind exercise, have you ever done? Do you think mind is also very important? Then what is mind? Have you seen mind? No. It's a subtle, right? And mind is not in the brain. Then where it is? Mind is actually in our consciousness. We are a colony of 100 trillion cells, 100 to 120 trillion cells, and every cell has mind. So it is a consciousness. So what we are going to do today, we will see how we can replace the bad consciousness we have. There's consciousness of fear, consciousness of anything, anger, anxiety. It has to be done with a complete consciousness, right? So, usse pehle, we have to understand one thing, that like our body, you can see me, this physical body. Similarly, this body is of, we call it human being. Human being, human is basically a body made of 5 elements, right? And beings is energy. And these two energies work together. That is, for body we do so many things. It's the 5 elements. When we go to the physical doctor, what happens? Physical doctor हमें सोडियम कम हो गया, सोडियम दे देगा, कैल्शियम कम हो गया, कैल्शियम, आयरन कम हो गया, आयरन, right? So he will replace all the elements, right? Being also have some requirements. हम being की आज बात करेंगे, this energy body. अच्छा, कैसे पता चलेगा that we have, like we know body is made up of 5 elements, है ना? Earth element, water element, air element, fire element, and space element, right? Being is the energy driving this body, right? And like our body has effect on our emotional body, spiritual body, इसको कह सकते हैं, that is being. Like अगर मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया, I am lying on bed, तो मैं इमोशनली थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ जाऊंगा. Yes, I lose some confidence or something, like I start thinking negative. So that is my physical hit will give a effect on my emotional body. But do we think that our emotional body also hits our physical body? We have never thought of it. Whereas WHO always says that diseases are psychosomatic. 80% diseases are psychosomatic. Means first the disease is on psychic. then it's the 4 stages जो हमें लास्ट में पता चलता है that बॉडी में ये प्रॉब्लम्स आ गई हैं. What happens? First it is psychic, मन मेरा बीमार होता है. Then psychosomatic, like psychic and somatic. Somatic means body. Now psycho has started affecting on the soma also, body also. Then it is somatic, complete somatic. Somatic means now the effect is on the body, right? And it is on the system. And then organic. Organic means now my any organ has been hit. So when we go to the physical physician, what happens? He tells us which organ has hit. लेकिन प्रोसेस कब शुरू हुआ था? 3 stages back. It was psychic. साइकिक में क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है? लाइक मेरा मूड थोड़ा स्विंग हुआ, ठीक भी हो गया अपने आप, है ना. कुछ देर के लिए मूड ऑफ हुआ, उसके बाद आई कुड रिकवर ऑन माई ओन, राइट. देन साइकोसोमैटिक में व्हाट हैपेंस? मूड थोड़ा खराब हुआ, बट इट टेक्स लिटिल टाइम. आई हैव टू गो आउट, आई हैव टू मीट माय फ्रेंड और कॉल माय फ्रेंड, समथिंग लाइक. मेरे को एक्सटर्नल कुछ हेल्प लेना पड़ता है. देन माय साइकोसोमैटिक. और उसमें समटाइम्स लाइक थोड़ा नींद भी थोड़ा कम हो गया या समथिंग, एक रात के लिए सो नहीं पाया बिकॉज ऑफ डिस्टर्बेंस, इमोशनल हिट, ऑल दिस, राइट. बट अगेन नेक्स्ट डे इट इज फाइन. Then it is absolutely somatic, means now I need medicine. I need to go to the doctor, right? And then organic. Organic means now something dangerous has happened. So what is happening now? We are going to the doctor when something really we have disturbed ourselves. कोई organ में problem आ गया, right? So this is the kind we say that if I start doing something, precaution is better than cure. Something today when I'm healthy, only then we can check this disease process to be checked, right? We can stop it from the psychosomatic, somatic or organic phase. So 4 phases there, right ji? What is health? What do you understand by health? Parisha, what do you understand by health?
Sir, health is the overall condition of body. It mainly depends on physical fitness, how good a person is.
Okay, overall condition of the body, that is health.
Yes, sir.
And it's an incomplete answer. Any other answer you want to try? Many times it is said health is absence of disease. है ना, मुझे कोई बीमारी नहीं है, मैं हेल्दी हूँ, बट कॉमनली हम कहते हैं दिस इज नॉट हेल्थ. एब्सेंस ऑफ डिजीज इज नॉट हेल्थ. इन फैक्ट व्हाट इज हेल्थ? हेल्थ इज बेसिकली enthusiasm to be passionate, enthusiasm to be work, right? I'm enthusiastic for the work and I'm passionate for the work. That is health, है ना. And if I'm happy within, the cause is if I'm healthy, how I can be caused? If I'm happy. So ask yourself, am I happy? Why all the time doctor has to tell me that you are unhealthy? I have to check myself. Am I happy? Okay within? Then I'm healthy, right? And what is healing? Chakra healing, we are saying. What is healing?
Sir, I don't have much knowledge about healing.
Okay. Healing. Basically, cure we understand?
Yes, sir.
You have seen doctor's prescription RX.
Yes.
He writes RX, then he writes some medicines, right? RX is what? I treat, he cures. Right? So, doctor gives us treatment. Treatment is like my sodium is low, so he'll supplement with sodium. Vitamins, he'll supplement vitamins. Iron, he'll supplement. So that is called treating. But I'm not cured. Right? Healing is in between treatment and cure. So that is when we are addressing the root cause, that is the healing. Right? And how healing is done? Healing के लिए एक ही medicine है, that is loveful medicine. When we have universal love means when we think good, we wish good for the universe. That is universal compassion, and that is called healing, right? So we'll go for the presentation now. So health का पता लग गया, and how to heal
Yes.
ourselves, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here I go for the presentation. It is to be at a tab. Am I able to share my?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
What's there in the screen?
There was a presentation open, but now it is not.
You open psychoaerobics like it is there.
Sir, it has not yet opened, but it was there before. It just went 1 minute.
Okay. Now
Not yet, sir.
okay.
So you can try sharing the screen again.
Yeah. Present. Then window.
Sir, after clicking the Windows button, you just need to select that small screen. It would be displayed in front of you. And then you would be able to share the screen.
Okay. This small screen, huh?
Yes, sir. The small screen which is visible in front of you, you just need to single click it, and then you will be able to present your presentation.
Now it is there.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Fine. Thank God.
Now you can share your presentation.
Yeah. So, as I have already shared, that psychoaerobics. Yeah, it is visible now.
So the PPT is not visible. Your screen is visible. The screen which you have shared is visible. You just need to select your PowerPoint.
That is the problem. How to select that?
I'll guide you, sir. Sir, firstly, you need to click on present now, and
Yeah.
then you select Windows, and then you select the small screen which you can see in front of you, and then you need to shift to the another window in which you have your presentation, or another tab you can say.
But at the same time, this is not visible. It's so small. Like this one. I'm unable to share it. Actually, I shared it.
So you can try again.
Okay.
When you tried for the first time, it was visible.
Okay. It's not appearing now.
Sir, or else you can share the PPT. I can share if it's not
Yeah.
sharing it.
No, let us see. This is it.
Yes, sir. Now your screen is shared. Now you only have to do, just go to the tab where your presentation is there.
It's on the window. It's on the. It's opened on the desk now.
Yes, sir. Just go to that tab where your presentation is there. Just click on that Microsoft Power. Yes, it's visible now. Yes, it's
Thank
absolutely
God.
visible now.
Okay. So this is psychoneurologics for holistic health and positive personality development, right? So I have already shared with you. Psycho means mind, and neuro, nerve cells, and holistic health is what that we need health in the holistic way. Like yesterday, our pro chancellor ma'am also said that we have to make the holistic approach towards the health. That is mental health, physical health, of course, mental health, social health, and spiritual health, right? And what is personality? Basically, personality has come from the word persona. Persona means aura. Before we talk to anyone, our aura speaks to him, right? So that is also very important that we have to develop a good aura. And psychonomics, it gives us an aura which is, of course, very soothing for the others. And when we are energies and we attract people, the kind of energy we radiate, right? So, okay. So what is psychoneurologics? It is a science of transferring spiritual energy into neurocells by connecting your mind to the supreme energy. That is, we are the energies and we all have only one source of energy, that is Almighty God. Right, Ji? So, we have to tap that energy. So, psycho, mind, neuro, nervous system, and which means exercise. We have already shared with you. Right? See, if we talk about from left to right, we go. Right? Body with brain. That is, we have like our circulatory system that is carrying all the glucose, oxygen, everything. What we eat, that is converted to glucose, and finally it is converted to ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and that is stored in the mitochondria as an energy, right? And then another body we have, that body with the brain, that is our central nervous system, right? And central nervous system, what happens? All the command is given from this, and then through impulses, that is nerve conductivity, the body receive all the signals, right? And this central nervous system, now quantum physics has also agreed, and doctors have also started agreeing that behind this central nervous system, there is one energy working on it. Nerve conductivity तो है, but उसके साथ एक energy उस nerve conductivity को drive कर रही है. That is called energy body, and Vedic science में it is said कि ये हमारा सूक्ष्म शरीर है, जिसको हम कहते हैं being in our body, right? So energy body, basically it is made of 7 chakras. Actually, if I tell you, we have 114 chakras in the body. वैसे तो 88,000 chakras हैं बॉडी में, लेकिन 114 हैं जो ऋषि मुनि जिनकी साधना करते हैं. बट फॉर अस इट इज दे हैव फर्दर सिंप्लीफाइड कि अगर हम 7 एनर्जी सेंटर, 7 चक्रास की अगर हम हीलिंग कर लेते हैं तो हमारा बॉडी विल बी फाइन. and we are the colony of 100 to 100 trillion cells, right? And we have in energy body we have 72,000 नाड़ी. और जो जो मतलब तंत्र का तंत्र है, नाड़ी जिसको कहते हैं, दैट इज ईड़ा, पिंगला एंड सुषुम्ना. सो वी हैव टू मेक द बैलेंस. सो एनर्जी बॉडी का अगर हम ध्यान कर लेते हैं तो वी आर कंप्लीटली टुवर्ड्स द हेल्थ. एंड ये एनर्जी बॉडी का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है माइंड का. और माइंड इज अ पावर हाउस टू जनरेट थॉट्स. सो माइंड basically has all the energies and it is radiating thoughts. You know how much thought we radiate in a day? We generate approximately 40 to 60,000 thoughts in a day. And science says that 90% thoughts are either waste or unnecessary, or sometimes it is negative thoughts, right? Only 10% thoughts are necessary and positive thoughts, right? So this is very important कि हम माइंड को कैसे कंट्रोल करें. लाइक इसकी जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है जनरेटिंग थॉट्स उसको कम करें, राइट? सो इट इज पॉसिबल द सोल विद सुप्रीम कनेक्शन. जब हम अपना कनेक्शन सुप्रीम एनर्जी के साथ लगाते हैं तो वी आर एबल टू कंट्रोल आवर थॉट्स दैट विल गो इन द प्रोसेस, राइट जी? सो हाउ एनर्जी ट्रेवल्स इन अस, दैट इज सुप्रीम सोर्स इज द ऑलमाइटी अथॉरिटी गॉड, राइट? सेल्फ is a, that is source of self is spiritual energy in light form, and then this energy comes to mind, then brain, then spinal cord and body parts, right? And similarly here, if we compare it with the electricity coming to my house, that is powerhouse, a power station, substation, transformer, and then poles and our house. Now this energy, similarly we are receiving energy. And if I ask you that, Parisha, do you meditate?
No, sir, I actually don't meditate.
Okay.
I just do exercise.
Okay. How many of people say that I don't meditate? Just raise hand in your in house only, right? And just see how many of people you say that I don't meditate. And there is a good news for you all. You all meditate. Actually, meditation is an inbuilt system in us. Okay. अब आप कब मेडिटेशन करते हैं मालूम है? When you go in deep sleep. Fine. जब आप सोते हैं तो you are in a meditative state only. आप समझ गए मेरे को?
Yes,
That's why after a good sleep we feel energetic. जिसका मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ. मान लीजिए if we give you best food on this earth, okay, है ना, and you exercise well, right? You work well. But if we don't allow you to sleep for 3 days, what you will say? That I am energyless, है ना? तीसरे दिन आप कहेंगे मेरे को एनर्जी नहीं है, जबकि आपको बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट फूड दिया गया, राइट? सो स्लीप इज द मेडिटेशन, जिसको हम कहें निद्रा योग, ठीक है? इसको कहा गया निद्रा योग. And what is meditation? Yog Nidra. Meditation is also sleep only. What is sleep basically? When we are able to control our thoughts, by default, when we are in deep sleep, we are generating hardly 3 to 4 thoughts in a day, in 1 hour sleep. That is called delta sleep, right? So sleep का मतलब काफी है पैटर्न, theta state sleep and then delta sleep. Theta में what we are generating only 7 to 13 thoughts. तो जिसको कहते हैं अध कच्ची नींद. जब हमें नींद प्रॉपरली नहीं आ रही है तो वी आर स्लीपिंग ऑल्सो, बट एट द सेम टाइम कुछ भी थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम होती है, थोड़ा सा हवा भी चलती है तो हम सेंसिटिव हैं. लेकिन वो डेल्टा स्लीप जो है 1 घंटे की पूरी रात में, दैट चार्ज अस, राइट? एंड उसका मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ. मान लीजिए थ्रू आउट नाइट यू हैड अ गुड स्लीप, मतलब यू हैड अ गुड नंबर ऑफ आवर्स स्लीप, 8 आवर्स का स्लीप लिया आपने, बट इट वॉज थीटा स्लीप, नॉट डेल्टा स्लीप. What will happen to you? मॉर्निंग में यू से मैं सोया तो अच्छा था बट नॉट फीलिंग गुड, राइट जी? बट आफ्टरनून में यू हैड अ 15 मिनट्स नैप एंड दैट वाज डेल्टा स्लीप. यू विल बी चार्ज फॉर नेक्स्ट 4 hours. So it is so powerful, right? So what we do, we definitely meditate. And while sleep, what happens? You are seeing this supreme source, self, and then mind. Mind is given rest. So energy directly comes from supreme source to soul, soul to the brain and spinal cord. Right? So what is happening? Maximum energy is consumed here only. Either mind is generating too many thoughts. It's like we have charged our laptop throughout night. मॉर्निंग में हमने बहुत सारी उसके ऊपर एप्लीकेशन खोल के छोड़ दिया उसको. व्हाट विल हैपन टू इट? 2-3 घंटे बाद इसकी बैटरी खत्म हो जाएगी. देन विल बी फाइटिंग विद द कंपनी दैट यू सेड कि 8 आवर्स का बैकअप देना था, ये है ना, ये 2 घंटे में बंद हो गया. नो, तो दे विल से कि इतनी सारी अगर एप्लीकेशन लेकर खोल के बैठोगे तो नेचुरली इट विल कंज्यूम एनर्जी. सिमिलरली हैपनिंग विद अस. वी हैड अ साउंड स्लीप इन द नाइट, लेकिन मॉर्निंग में बहुत सारे थॉट जनरेट कर दिए. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ? वी आर एनर्जी लेस थ्रू आउट डे, है ना. 12 बजे के आसपास में एनर्जी खत्म. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि माइंड का जो एप्लीकेशन है उसको हम बंद करना सीखें. राइट. सेकेंड इज आइदर इट इज जनरेटिंग टू मैनी थॉट्स और इट इज जनरेटिंग नेगेटिव थॉट्स और टॉक्सिक थॉट्स, है ना. आप किसी के साथ गुस्सा करके देखिए, यू आर विद इन फ्यू मिनट्स यू आर विदाउट एनर्जी. ऐसा नो आप jealousy, hatred, yeah, even it is sometimes said that I am not jealous to anyone, but resentment इतना ज़्यादा है ना, self cursing इतना ज़्यादा है, that is also very toxic. So we will learn how to control these thoughts, right ji? So this is, we have to conserve our energy. See what happens when we do all kind of exercise, we take good food, right, good sleep. This is all we are gaining energy, but it is very important to conserve the energy also. So मैं आज बात करूँगा energy conservation, because it is said penny saved is a penny earned, है ना. Saving is also earning. So similarly here also, power house, power station, substation and transformer अगर खराब हो जाए and substation में leakage of the, तो even then voltage will be less, right? So it is, सबसे ज्यादा हमारी एनर्जी कहाँ खत्म होती है जी, है ना. दो वी लूज एनर्जी इन सो मेनी थिंग्स. मैंने बताया ना, रिजेंटमेंट, सेल्फ कर्सिंग, राइट, दीज ऑल आर थिंग्स, ना, जेलसी, हेटेड, राइट. बट ऑल लाइक एंजाइटी, एंगर एंड फियर, दीज आर द 3 थिंग्स जो कि हमारी एनर्जी के दुश्मन है. दे कंप्लीटली डिस्ट्रॉय आवर एनर्जी, राइट जी.
I think there's a network issue, so everyone, please cooperate.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Okay.
Absolutely fine.
Right. Oh yeah. Okay. जी, है ना. तो what was happening? That in COVID period, it was all were worried about energy, है ना, कि ऑक्सीजन मिल जाए मुझे, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. And this fear has created so many problems to the country. Although doctors were saying, fear not, only 15% of the people need oxygen. Fear not, only 5 to 10% people need hospitalization. But there was anxiety and there was fear, and that created so many problems. Right जी? So fear एक ऐसा है, and संस्कृत का शब्द है fear मतलब बीमारी. बीमारी का मतलब जानते हैं आप क्या है? बी मतलब डर, मारी मतलब उसका बने रहना. जब डर हमारे दिन रात बैक ऑफ द माइंड, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में बना रहता है, तो देन इट इज गोइंग टू हिट अस. ठीक है जी. एंड व्हाट इज द आंसर टू एवरीथिंग? इफ वी वांट टू बी हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी, तो दैट इज सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखं। ना डरना नहीं है। संस्कृत का शब्द श्लोक बहुत ही सिंपल है, लेकिन इट इज वेरी पावरफुल। इसका मीनिंग इज वेरी पावरफुल दैट आई विश, ओ गॉड आई विश कि सभी लोग सुखी हो जाएं, सभी लोग हेल्दी हो जाएं, सभी लोग अच्छे मतलब भद्र पुरुष बन जाएं। एंड आई विश दैट ऑल द पीपल शुड फ्लरिश, है ना, उनका भला हो, दे शुड ग्रो, है ना, एंड उनके सारे दुख खत्म हो जाएं। सो इट्स वेरी दैट इज दिस इज लव। राइट जी? व्हाट इज लव? लव इज यूनिवर्सल कंपैशन। If you are compassionate, Ras Ranganad. Ras is what? Dance. Classical dancers like Hema Malini, Birju Maharaj, they do some postures, hand gestures also, na? And they are always young, in the age of 8 and very energetic. क्यों? Because मुद्रा बनाने से we are meant to dance only. See, deities they used to dance, है ना, and dance में ही then फिर प्राणायाम, आसना और aerobic anaerobics निकला, right? Then run, colors, है ना, all the deities had very good, मतलब like उनके जो महल थे उसमें बहुत कॉस्टली हीरा जवाहरात एंड एवरीथिंग, है ना। तो ये जो कलर्स हैं, कलरफुल स्टोन्स, दे रेडिएट डिफरेंट frequency ka rays, right? And these rays have impact on our body. And naad is music. We all understand music therapy. We all understand naad is om dhwani, right? So this science psychoneurologic is a combination of three things, that is ras, color therapy and music therapy, right ji? So how will we combine it? Here we say soul, the body operator, right? If we say our body as a combination of some machines, like head is a computer, right? Our ears are phone, and then our mouth is a mic, and this is speaker. Heart is a pump, and water pump. Lungs are air blowers, and digestive system is a mixer, juicer, grinder. Right? So these all machines are fit in a body, and we have these machines at home. These machines are run by the electricity, right? So similarly in our body also, we have all these machines fit, and these machines are run by the electricity. But which electricity? It is a spiritual power, spiritual energy, right? And this spiritual energy, we have seen the pathways, that is from God to soul, soul to brain, mind, mind to brain, brain to then our chakras, and then to the body parts, right? If I ask you, there is a voltage fluctuation at your home, so what will happen? The heavy appliances will have the hit, like AC, like water pump, like computer, they will all have it. Similarly, in our body, there are 5 heavy machines, that is head, lungs, heart, kidney, liver, and आज इन्हीं का सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? सो यहाँ पर हम how to maintain the electric current, that is smooth electric current, this is we have shown it, that सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हमारा हिंड्रेंस क्या है? we are losing our energy with too many thoughts, है ना? We are generating so many thoughts. It's like we have opened so many applications, and we are unable to close the tabs, right? So here we see we have 7 energy centers, मैंने बताया था आपको, and they are of different colors. Now I'll just take few minutes of your valuable time, that these different colors are frequencies generated, right? Like मूलाधार चक्र, ये इस तरह से जैसे हमारा न्यूरो साइंस में कहते हैं, that these are the 7 energy centers and these are the plexus and chakras, right? ये chakras का different colors क्यों है? Frequency, like Mooladhara chakra is red. Red frequency is the lowest frequency. So in our body also, bones and muscles are lower frequency. So it is matching the frequency, right? Swadhisthana chakra is of orange color. Again, थोड़ा सा frequency ज़्यादा, 474 trillion hertz, right? इस frequency का जो frequency है, that is water, and we are जहाँ हमारा स्वादिष्ठान चक्र, it represents our urinary system and urogenital organs. Then हमारा मणिपुर चक्र, नवल चक्र, यहाँ पर फायर एलिमेंट है, राइट? तो इसका जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है वो थोड़ा और ज़्यादा, दैट इज 510 ट्रिलियन हर्ट्ज, राइट? तो अगेन येलो कलर का ये फ्रीक्वेंसी है, एंड व्हेन वी सी येलो कलर तो वी जनरेट द फ्रीक्वेंसी विच इज पैलेटेबल टू अवर फायर एलिमेंट, राइट? एंड हमारा फायर एलिमेंट ठीक हो गया, हमारा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम ठीक हो गया. इस तरह से अनह चक्र, इसका फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 610 ट्रिलियन हर्ट्ज, right? So it's a frequency matching with the what do you call air element. तो अनह चक्रा में 2 ऑर्गन्स हैं, that is lungs and heart. तो lungs में क्या है? air, heart blood. Air pressure exerted by the lungs is on blood is called blood pressure. तो वो air element हमारा ठीक हो गया, हमारा blood pressure नॉर्मल, heart से सारी प्रॉब्लम ठीक, राइट? इस तरह से विशुद्धि चक्र, राइट? That is of frequency where is sky blue color, and it is like frequency of 610 kilohertz. Okay, अनह चक्र वायु एलिमेंट का है 585 kilohertz, right? So हमारा विशुद्धि चक्र ठीक. And then आज्ञा चक्र, this is very very important for आज्ञा चक्र and सहस्रा चक्र. So we'll talk majorly on this. This is our brain and it is represents central nervous system which is called central nervous system. अगर हमारा ठीक हो जाता है तो हमारी बहुत सारी चीज़ें ठीक हो जाती हैं, लेकिन बच्चों में central nervous system को बहुत ज़रूरी है. We have to keep it. So when we see indigo color, so indigo color से हमारा frequency of 695 trillion hertz generate होता है, and that frequency generate the emotion of our enlightenment, है ना? कहते हैं तीसरा नेत्र खुल गया, and then that energy flows in our body. Central nervous system को ठीक करता है, right? And then सहस्रा चक्रा, it's a very high frequency, that highest frequency 732 trillion hertz, right? तो आज हम उसके ऊपर ही करेंगे, right? And इस तरह से we are able to control our thoughts, right? And we have all these 20 doctors hospital nurse. When we are able to control our third eye chakra, so our emotions of truth realization and universal knowledge and wisdom are activated, right? And we are a balanced person. But imbalance, fear, depression and worries, right? जी? Benefits of doing this, brain disorders, eye disorders, ये सारे हमारे क्योर होते हैं. Mind and memory power increases, migraine is relieved, right? जी? And disease, of course, headache, migraine, eye problem and neurological problems. How to do it? Now I'll come to the practice, right? जी? How to do it is, we will visualize that indigo color energy is coming to my Sahasrara chakra and it is resonating in my brain. Just visualize that my brain is like a very big library and there is a flood of indigo color energy into it, right? And what we do, in your university also you have this concentration cure lab, right? If you go there, the first one is indigo color. When we see this color with the 3-dimensional picture for 3 to 5 minutes, our brain cells are resonate the frequency of 695 trillion hertz, very high frequency, right? And with this frequency, now we visualize that now this indigo color energy is coming to me from the Almighty Authority. That is, you call it energy, supreme energy, God, Allah, Vaheguru, whatever name you give, or if you say energy, fine, right? And then you practice this mudra, Gyan mudra. My humble request, प्लीज प्रैक्टिस इट टू नो इट वेल। इस तरह से करके, एंड देन give a shape to your lips like O. Make O with your lips. O. So while O pronouncing, what we are doing, we are catching all the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So first is A and last is U. So then it becomes O. तो स्टेप्स अगर फिर से समझ लेते हैं। स्टेप्स आर रेजोनेट योर ब्रेन सेल्स 3 to 5 मिनट्स इसको देखने के बाद, generate a frequency, right? And then visualize that God is showering his indigo color energy to me. And then this mudra is a locking. That is, I am channelizing my energy to this central nervous system. And then inhale. Those who can, please put your video on if you are comfortable with, and practice it. Inhale deep, exhale slowly. And inhale, exhale time should be same. Like the time taken to inhale and exhale should be same. And when we say O, it should come from this. Apparatus, this, there should be a vibration here only, and that will give you ultrasound. You know what is the science behind it? When we are focusing on indigo color, it is a ultra light, right? And ultra light of indigo color is capable of focusing and resonating our brain cells to the tune of very high frequency, 372 megahertz and 692 megahertz. And then ultrasound generated by the O sound, it gives a shake in our central nervous system, right? And it cleans our central nervous system. It removes all the emotional blockages in it. And we have seen once blockages are removed, is the free flow of the energy to our organs, and our chakras will be fine, and in turn our body parts will be fine. इसको करके देखिए, you will find wonderful results. थोड़ा सा मेमोरी लॉस जिसको है, आप प्लीज करते रहिए. आई हैव टू स्पीक सम. वेरी कॉमनली वी से कि मैं याद बहुत कुछ करता हूँ, उस टाइम तो बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबल होता हूँ, यस मेरे को सब कुछ याद है. बट एट द टाइम ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन या मेरे को अगर सुबह भी पूछा जाए तो इट इज ऑलवेज ब्लैंक. बेसिकली मेमोरी इज व्हाट दैट वॉट एवर वी हैव लर्न इट शुड बी रिकॉल्ड ऑन अ टाइम. तो अगर रिकॉल नहीं हुआ प्रॉपरली टाइम तो इट इज ऑफ नो यूज. सो दिस सिंपल ओ ध्वनि with this mudra and violet indigo color, you will find there will be a lot many improvement in your memory enhancement also. ठीक है, प्लीज करके देखिए इसको. आपको जितना टाइम एक चीज को पढ़ने में या याद करने में लगता है, उससे 50% टाइम में, 50 से भी only 25% टाइम में you will be able to remember the things. प्लीज करिए इसको. सो 15 मिनट्स मिनिमम करना है. अर्ली मॉर्निंग खाली पेट करेंगे, बहुत बढ़िया रहेगा. आई गारंटी यू आपका मेमोरी एनहांसमेंट बहुत अच्छी तरह से होगा. आप बहुत अच्छी तरह से चीज़ों को याद कर पाएंगे। एंड देन सेकंड इज क्राउन चक्रा, है ना, आज्ञा चक्र के बाद क्राउन चक्रा, एंड दिस चक्रा रिप्रेजेंट्स अवर हार्मोनल सिस्टम, है ना। हार्मोन्स का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है आजकल, बहुत छोटे छोटे यंग बच्चों को भी हार्मोनल डिस्टर्बेंस बहुत ज़्यादा है। सो प्लीज़ इसको करेंगे। स्लीप डिसऑर्डर बहुत कॉमन है आज के लोग, इसको करेंगे योर स्लीप पैटर्न विल बी ट्यून, राइट। सो इसमें क्या होता है, एनर्जी चक्रा बैलेंस है, इमोशन ऑफ इटर्नल ब्लिस, ग्रेटिट्यूड, कंपैशन, अफेक्शन, जॉय, है ना, ये आप अंदर ही वेलबींग का महसूस करेंगे। और अगर इम्बैलेंस है तो नेगेटिव इमोशंस, ईगो, डिसकंटेंटमेंट, लेजीनेस, प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन, ये सारा चलता है, राइट। Disease due to the imbalance of energy flow of the chakra, epilepsy, exhaustion, problem of cerebrum, pineal gland, right eye. Pineal gland is responsible for the melatonin secretion. तो melatonin secretion रुक गया तो स्लीप डिसऑर्डर से फिर हमने देखा सारी प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट हो जाती हैं। इसको कैसे करना है, अगेन वायलेट कलर को हम देखते हैं 3 to 5 minutes with a concentration. See, this is a brain language, है ना। 90 seconds. If we are able to see this violet color without generating any other thought, our frequency will be very high, 732 gigahertz. But the condition is only with the focus, concentration, एकाग्रता. That is the requirement, right? जो कि इस 3 dimension stereography की वजह से हमें बहुत आसानी से मिल जाती है, right? And when we are resonating on this this high frequency, उसके बाद ये मुद्रा है ज्ञान मुद्रा। आपने जितने भी साधु महात्मा उनको इसी मुद्रा में देखा होगा, राइट। तो दिस इज ज्ञान मुद्रा। अब इसको कैसे करना है, इस तरह से महसूस करते हुए जो पिक्चर में है आपके, राइट, दैट गॉड इज शारिंग हिज वायलेट कलर एनर्जी टू मी, ही इज ब्लेसिंग मी आल्सो, एंड दिस वायलेट कलर एनर्जी इज मेकिंग अ सर्कल अराउंड मी एंड इट इज माय ऑरा. This is what you call is aura. This is what you call, you expand your aura and you will be loved by one and all. Right? अब इसको इस तरह से महसूस करते हुए, विजुअलाइज करते हुए, जीभ को अपर पैलेट के साथ लगाना है, ऊपर मुंह को बंद करना है, कैसे, जहाँ पे आता है ऊपर मुंह को बंद करेंगे, इनहेल, So when we are able to generate this sound, this is called humming sound. हमारे 17 टाइप्स के हार्मोन्स रिलीज होना शुरू होते हैं, जिसमें प्राइमरी हमारे हार्मोन्स हैं, दैट इज डोपामिन, एंडोर्फिन, ऑक्सीटोसिन, मेलाटोनिन, सेरोटोनिन, है ना। ये सारे हार्मोन्स हमें बहुत जरूरी चाहिए होते हैं टू कीप आवरसेल्फ हेल्थी, हैप्पी, है ना, ब्लिसफुल में। तो ये हार्मोन्स हमारे जनरेट होते हैं, एंड द साइंस इज दैट इज व्हेन वी टच द टंग विद द अपर पैलेट एंड उसको हमिंग साउंड करते हैं, तो व्हाट वी आर जनरेटिंग इज ऑल द नाउ कॉन्सोनेंट्स। पहले हमने वॉवल्स को कैटर किया, अब हम कॉन्सोनेंट्स में, दैट इज अल्फाबेट में कितने 26। तो दिस इज एम एंड एन. When we pronounce, neither it is M nor M, it is put together M and N, right? We are generating this ultrasound of humming, which is capable of generating or mastering our pituitary gland, the master gland, right? And it corrects our endocrine system, right जी? आपने एग्जाम्पल के लिए बताता हूँ, आप धर्मशाला में गए हैं तो वहाँ पर जो लामास होते हैं, दे आर ऑलवेज कैरिंग वन बॉल, और एक उसमें एक लकड़ी से होती है, उसको इसे घुमाते हैं, एंड देयर इज अ साउंड, दैट साउंड दे कीप विद देम, दैट इज अपना हार्मोन्स को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए. बट नाउ गॉड सेज कि व्हाई यू आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन अदर थिंग्स, ना आउटर थिंग्स, इट इज outside in नहीं, inside out approach. That you be a God's ball and generate this God's sound and generate this sound of humming. Right जी? ये दो भी कर लेते हैं आप तो ग्रेट एंड हमारा नर्वस सिस्टम ठीक हो गया, हमारा एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम हो गया. व्हाट एल्स वी वांट, राइट जी? सो या नाउ एम आई ऑडिबल, विजिबल या प्रेजेंटेशन चल रहा है?
Sir, presentation is not visible.
Fine, I am visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that is what we can do. तो पेशेंस तो रखना पड़ेगा. करिएगा इस तरह से, सामने खड़े होके इस तरह से करिएगा एंड टेक योर, ये स्ट्रेट रहना चाहिए. प्रैक्टिस दिस. तो कितना आप पीछे, एंड एक और एक्सपेरिमेंट करिएगा. एक बार तो ऐसे कर, मोबाइल को बिना किसी कॉल किए कान पे लगा के फिर करने की कोशिश करें. जस्ट डू दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट. प्रतीक्षा समझ आया क्या कहा मैंने? पहले इसको
Yes,
स्ट्रेट लेके पीछे लेके के मेरे के सामने खड़े होके, ये सेल्फ चेक है ना? मेरी बॉडी है ना? माई माइंड, माई सोल, माई बॉडी. व्हाई अदर्स विल कम एंड से कि यार तुम ठीक हो या स्वस्थ हो या बीमार हो. आई टू शुड हैव चेक्स ना.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Like I have pet in my home. वो बीमार होता है तो खाना बंद कर देगा, कुछ घास खाएगा, कुछ करेगा. He also have knowledge how to keep his body. Only human being जो reliable है सारे टेस्टों के ऊपर. No. So इसको करके देखिए कि मेरी बॉडी में एनर्जी बॉडी का क्या चक्कर है. राइट? अगर वो आपका कहाँ तक जाता है, एंड जस्ट मोबाइल को पुट करिएगा एंड सी द इफेक्ट ऑफ रेडिएशन. बहुत चीज़ें समझ में आ जाएंगी. So with this, thank you so much.
Sir, we have questions from our viewers. So, sir, one of our viewers requested, can you please show that finger mudra again?
Yeah, it is first one, Pran Mudra with indigo color, right? It is called Pran Mudra, and sound is O. O में we are catering all the vowels, A to U, A E I O U. ठीक है? And second one is Gyan Mudra. ठीक है? Touching your tongue to the upper palate, close your mouth, inhale nostril से, nostril से छोड़ना है. Generate this sound, right? And this is called basically all the consonants are cattle in it. There is a humming sound, right? And humming sound में we are able to generate the good hormones, oxytocin, endorphin, melatonin, right? Dopamine. Yeah. So
सर एक और क्वेश्चन था
जी जी
हमारे व्यूअर्स से कि अक्सर हम लोग देखते हैं कि ओवर थिंकिंग की बीमारी है, तो इसे कैसे हमें सॉल्व करना चाहिए, कैसे डील करना चाहिए इसके साथ?
Yeah, very nice. Overthinking, मैंने कहा overthink is that is too many thoughts. We are generating so many thoughts in a day. या toxic thoughts. उसको करने के लिए बेटा एक ही तरीका है, that is we have to practice. You know, अगर suppose मेरे कोई से भी like cardio करना है या मेरे muscles weak हैं, मेरे leg muscles are weak or something, है ना? तो मेरे को वो एक्सरसाइज बार बार करनी पड़ती है ना. ओवरथिंकिंग के लिए ये बहुत अच्छा तरीका है, that is आप ओवर हमिंग करिए खाली पेट मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग. इससे देखना आपके काफी हद तक थॉट्स कंट्रोल आ जाएंगे. ठीक है?
एंड सर एक मेरा पर्सनल क्वेश्चन है
Yeah, please.
सर इट्स लाइक कि जब हम ऐसे ही बैठे होते हैं वी आर वेरी हैप्पी, कुछ भी नेगेटिव नहीं है दिमाग में, पर
हाँ।
अचानक से कहीं से भी नेगेटिव थॉट्स आ जाते हैं, तो सर इसके साथ मतलब कैसे सॉर्ट करना चाहिए, कैसे डील करना चाहिए?
एक्चुअली कुछ भी कभी भी नहीं होता. व्हाट हैपन्स, हमारे मेरे कंप्यूटर में है ना, इंजीनियरिंग की फाइल नहीं खुलती है बिकॉज इसमें स्टैटिस्टिक्स और ये सब चीज़ें नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें है ही नहीं, कहाँ से खोलेंगे? सेम हियर, इसमें है तो खुलेगा. सो वी हैव जनरेटेड दीज थॉट्स, राइट. मैंने बताया ना कि ये प्रैक्टिस है. वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस टू थिंग्स. कम व्हाट में आई विल बी हैप्पी, वो तो मेरे हाथ में है ना. ठीक है. सो आई हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट हैप्पीनेस इज द मेडिसिन. एंड सेकंड थिंग, आई हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट यूनिवर्सल कंपैशन इज द मेडिसिन. If I'll wish good for others, right? There are so many things. What in this psychoanalysis, what we do, we don't go for the bad things like removing this, no. We are only inviting the positive. I'll be loveful soul, I'll be happy soul, I'll do oh and humming, right? Generating all this. So all the positivities I'll increase, negativity will definitely subside. It is like, if I have to, get rid of the darkness, I have to switch on the light. Na? So what is easy? If I'm crying, there is dark. Something will happen, nothing will happen. I have to just switch on the light. So this is also switching on the light. I must share with you tomorrow. We are going to share with you a very important aspect, that is emotional immunity. We all know immunity, right?
Yes.
And we have seen that immunity plays very important role in in anything like vaccine में भी या जो भी ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है उसमें हम क्या कर रहे हैं? वी आर ट्राइंग टू इनहांस द इम्यूनिटी. एंटीबॉडीज बन जाए, हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम डेवलप होता है. So it is very important that we enhance our biochemical immunity, but at the same time emotional immunity. Right? So we are going to talk on emotional immunity tomorrow, and that is very unique and very new subject. Very important. Do you think so? See, I just give you one thing. If I am absolutely healthy, just had a good breakfast, I am enthusiastic to go out for walk, and I had a phone and somebody views me and I had fight somewhere. But I'll say, आज मेरा काम करने का मन नहीं है, मैं काम नहीं करूँगा, right?
Yes.
So where the immunity has gone. So this is called emotional immunity. Mood off.
We usually say that mood off कर दिया.
हाँ, है ना. तो मूड ऑफ कर दिया. तो यही हमें सीखना है कि मेरी इम्यून सिस्टम इतना स्ट्रांग हो कि मेरा मूड कोई ऑफ ना करे, है ना. हिट मुझे होएगा, आई कांट स्टॉप द थिंग्स. मतलब आउटर पे मेरा कंट्रोल है, नो. तो मुझे मेरा कंट्रोल किस पे? इनर के ऊपर. आई हैव टू स्ट्रेंथन माय इनर सेल्फ. I can't stop the things coming to me, but I can save my guard. I can have the bulletproof jacket. Yes.
Yes, sir.
कल हम करेंगे. My humble request, कल सभी एटलीस्ट ओ एंड हमिंग करके आएंगे.
Sure, sir. Sure.
ठीक है. और 2-3 प्रैक्टिस मैंने बोली है. एक तो सबसे अच्छी एक्सरसाइज है स्माइल. ठीक है. और ये भी करके देखेगा. एंड दिस. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much.
Very
Yes,
nice.
ma'am. Please.
Yeah.
No, I would just like to thank sir for taking his time and coming and helping us over here, because howsoever, we might keep, but from time to time we do need reminders that how important it is to think positive. And like sir was saying, I also believe that there is a circle of control and there is a circle of worry and circle of control. If we don't have that circle of control, what is the point of worrying? We can't worry what is happening to inside, but we have circle of control within ourselves. So we should be able to control our own thought process.
This
Yes,
is Devashish or something. People are commenting very nicely. I take it. Thank you so much. You are so,
Thank you,
so
sir.
nice people. Wonderful session. Dipesh Rajoria. Thank you, Divesh. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Oh,
Thank you
looking
so
forward
much,
to
ma'am.
tomorrow.